Okay. I don't know if it's going to record any of my sound or anything like that, but I think it does. Yeah, because it was popping up the volume in there. All right. Anyway, so we're going to try and find a. Is it? Oh yeah, it's off market, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this property's off market. 2108 Bay Boulevard. We're going to try and find zoning information about this property. So this is the property. Just want to take a look at it. 2108 Bay Boulevard. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here. We're going to go zoning map Indian Rocks Beach. And you're going to click on the zoning map officially from the city. A lot of them are in Acrobat form like this. So we're going to scroll down to, they're going to be in chunks. So 2108, is that right?
That's correct.
2108 Bay Boulevard, where is that on a map?
So between 21st and 22nd.
Thank you. I just want to make sure. I don't know where Bay Boulevard is, Don.
Oh.
Brook Island.
All right, so it is
Intercoastal.
side right there.
Crossing out the neighborhood name.
I can literally give you a zoning map of St. Pete right now.
Okay, so here's Bay Boulevard. We're not in the 21s yet, so we're going to keep going.
Interactive one.
Here's Bay Boulevard.
St. Pete's
We're
so
going,
nice.
there it is. So we have 2104, 2108.
Yep.
We have this orange color right here, so we found it on the zoning map. And we're going to have to scroll all the way up to see what this orange color is. Medium density duplex residential. So that is RM-1. That's what it's called, RM-1. So now we're going to cross-reference that with Indian Rocks municode. And whatever city you're working on, whatever municipality you're working on, you're just going to type the city's name. So you type Largo municode or whatever it is. And you're going to find the code of ordinances for the city. RM-1. We're going to search up here for quote RM-1 quote. And we are going to look for applicability. It should usually be the first one. So we'll click on this. Really, you're going to look for a matrix, which will show you what's allowed in each district. I saw that. Why is this? Section uses, intensity. Okay, zoning district regulations, RM1, RM-1. It says it's right here.
Yeah, that's where part I got stuck.
Okay. So what we can do is we can do a search on page for RM-1. Okay. So signage, construction, anchoring, RM-1, prohibited signs, but we want building, regulations, general, license, permit, there, electric signs, residential districts generally, zoning district regulations, 1 real estate sign per lot, RM1. Why is this all about signage? No type of sign, commercial tourist district. That's everything. We must be in the wrong. Yeah, we're talking all about signs. So let's go. That's where we're at now.
General ordinances.
There we go. All right. Future land use designation zoning. So RM1, we have residential medium, and then we have RM1 resort facilities high, RM1 retail office general, RM1 residential office. Okay. Keep going, please. Trish, why is Indian Rock such a pain in the butt?
There's a phone number. Call her
Only one
office.
person made this whole website.
Zoning. In general. Definitions, penalty purpose interpretations, site plan review, special exceptions, non-conforming uses. Zoning map. Applicability of district regulations. This is a lot easier to find in almost any other
Mhm.
city. You literally just search RM1.
Or wait,
And then-
so the plan where the question's going to be is townhouses, right?
Yeah.
There was something on the side over there that was talking about future plan unit developments.
Mm-hmm.
Medium density duplex residential. So,
I came up that you could actually, right down the street from them, there's new condos being built, or townhouses. And it's in the same zone.
I think your question is you've got one lot. How many
Huge
lots?
lot.
How many
Did
lots
you see
do they?
the size of that lot?
No, but how
So
many
here,
lots do they?
I searched for medium density duplex residential, which is what it's actually called,
Mhm.
and I found what I was looking for. So we have minimum building site area requirements, lot size, single family, two family, minimum width, minimum depth. So this would show how many units per acre, which would be 15 units per acre for duplexes. Minimum unit size, two-story single-family dwellings, minimum unit size. So let's say you're on an acre, which you're not. You're like point.
I don't know. Can we figure that out? How many?
Yep.
How large that lot?
So we're gonna pull up this map. And
There's
it's a
one.
big lot.
So look at the size of that lot back there. We'll just wonder if you could build
You
like the
just
one next
click
door.
on it. You click lot dimensions. So 10,076 feet. It's 160 by 61. We need that in acres. So 10,076 square feet to acres. .23 acres. We're gonna go 15
4 units in there.
times 0.23, 3 units.
3 units.
3.45. You may be able, if the current developer has gotten some sort of exception or whatever, you may be able to get 4, but more than likely it's going to be 3, depending on
You're
how
gonna
it.
build up 3 or 3.
3
separate?
total.
Okay.
3 any way you figure it.
Fit it in there.
But the problem is going to be access on this lot
Mm-hmm.
because it's deep.
Yeah.
I mean, you would have to fit 1, 2, 3.
Right.
And you're going to have a driveway fitting back in there. It's not.
Scroll down the
It's not
street.
gonna be
Roll down the
ideal.
street. Can you go down the street a little bit? So now this lot right here, this is all here is all those new condos.
And look, they all have access points right here,
Right.
here.
They're building 40.
This one is
units.
about as deep as your lot, and I imagine this is owned by them too. Oh, maybe
No,
not.
it's actually
No,
separate.
it's not.
They're
Okay.
not planning on selling it.
So,
Could you do something like that?
I mean, this would be a lot easier,
Yeah.
but access is going to be really tough here because you're going to have to put a little road in, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, something like that. That's going to be tough. Is this the one he wants to buy? 2 doors down?
No,
Oh, that looks like hers.
that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah, it's on 21st.
Yeah. Is 2 doors down from his?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
You
funny.
can see it from across the
Yeah.
back lot.
Yeah. It's not an ideal because it's already improved and it's really nice,
Right.
but B, because it's going to be really tough to put 3 units or 4 units on that lot
Okay.
particularly. It would be allowed.
It'll
for
be up for
units.
sale. Just let you know.
Yeah. Like I said, usually this is a lot easier to find. All you do is you Google, or not Google, but you search the
Maybe do another
municode for
one
whatever
for
this
you.
is. Do you have one too, Phil?
Oh no, it's
Oh.
so she can have an instructional.
Oh, Sarah?
If you wanted to
Yeah, I could
We
We
can
can
see
do
if
one.
you want.
make it simpler instead of